Sahih Al-Bukhari 3171, narrated Hani radiyallahu ta'ala anha, the daughter of Abu Talib radiyallahu ta'ala anha, I went to Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam on the day of the conquest of Makkah and found him taking a bath, and his daughter Fatima alaihi salam was screening him. I greeted him and he asked, "Who is that?" I said, "O Hani binte Abi Talib radiyallahu ta'ala anha." He said, "Welcome, O Hani radiyallahu ta'ala anha." When he had finished his bath, he stood up and offered 8 rakat while dressed in one garment. I said, "O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, my brother Ali alaihi salam has declared that he will kill a man to whom I have granted as yalam. The man is so and so bin Habira." Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Hani radiyallahu ta'ala anha, we will grant as yalam to the one whom you have granted as yalam." Hani radiyallahu ta'ala anha said, that visit took place in the Duha, i.e. forenoon. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3172, narrated Ibrahim at Tamimi's father radiyallahu ta'ala anha, Ali alayhi salam delivered a sermon saying, "We have no book to read except the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and what is written in this paper, which contains verdict regarding relation for wounds, the age of the camels given as zakat or as blood money, and the fact that Medina is a sanctuary between Ear Mountain to so and so mountains, so whoever innovates in it an heresy or commits a sin or gives shelter in it, so to such an innovator will incur the curse of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the angels and all the people, and none of his compulsory or optional good deeds of worship will be accepted, and whoever freed slave takes as his master, i.e. befriends other than his real masters, will incur the same curse and the asylum granted by any Muslim to be secured by all the other Muslims, and whoever betrays a Muslim in this respect will incur the same curse." Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.